Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fifth puzzle into today's additional in the daily newspaper of Saturday, August the 15th, 2020. And the fifth puzzle is a binary puzzle. Let me focus this. Yes. Alright. And before I start, this will be number 1, 3, 5, 6, I believe. Yes. 1, 3, 5, 6. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double 1 here and O there and O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here and O there and O. Double 1 here and O there and O. Double 1 here and O there and O. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double O here 1, and then 1. 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O here and 1 there 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then yes, here. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here and O there and O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. I think I need to compare now, because I cannot see any double O's or ones, and I cannot. No, I need to compare. How about Yeah. Here. Stupid. Double 1 here and O there and O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here and O there and O. Double O here and 1 there and 1. Double 1 here and O there and O. Ooh, I couldn't see that one. And now I need to compare now. I think. No. Look, we have here 3 O's. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, so this cannot be an O. This should be in 1. Double 1 here and O there and O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then I need to compare. Yes. I need to compare. 3 O's, yeah. Alright. So we have 101 here. Let me see. 1. No, it's different. It's different. Double 1 here. Yes, this column and the first column. O, empty box. O, 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1. So I need to switch these two digits. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With a O there, this should be a 1. Between two O's comes a 1. Double 1 here, an O, there, an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Yeah, do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you soon in a minute with the last Sudoku. This one, a tectonic one. So see you later. Bye bye for now.